I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Heron, Heron? Whoever it is, long since passed away, but this is his formula. He's a Greek, I think, and he came up with this way of figuring out the area of triangles that's pretty slick. I'm pretty sure what is used in gaming, because it doesn't take a lot of calculations to get the area, and areas of triangles kind of figures prominently in orienteering, in GPS, and figuring out areas of your that you've walked. There's just a lot of reasons that you might use this, especially with computer technology. So let's look at it. Heron's formula, as I'm saying it, is you'll have a triangle and sides A, B, and C, and you figure out what half the perimeter is. The perimeter, of course, is how far it is to walk around the thing. So it's A plus B plus C, but then we're going to divide that number by 2. So half the perimeter might be something like that. That's the sort of thing that we're talking about. Then you're going to take that number and you're going to, under the square root, you're going to take that number S, and you're going to multiply times S minus A, times S minus B, times S minus C. And that is going to be the area of your triangle. It really is that easy. And so let's work on one that let's use this with one that we know. Let's suppose I've got a triangle. I'm trying not to make it a right triangle, and I'm going to set my base equal to 20 and my height equal to 4, and 1/2 the base times the height, which is what we've got here. Oh, you know what? This isn't going to work because I need to figure out what these sides are. Never mind. Let's do one that I know what the sides are. I know this one. 30, 40, 50. It's our favorite 3, 4, 5 triangle. This squared plus this squared is going to equal this squared. And so I know that my base is 40, my height is 30. 1/2 the base times the height here is going to be 1/2 of 1200, which is 600. So that's the answer that I expect to get when I do this. So I really don't want to erase this formula, that I'm going to remember it. So now I'm going to calculate my S for this, and I get 30 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 2. That 30 and 40 is 70, plus 50 is 120, divided by 2 is 60. That's my S. Now I go to my square root and I go S, which is 60. And then I'm going to start taking it and subtracting sides. So 60 minus 50 is 10. 60 minus 30 is 30. 60 minus 40 is 20. And when I multiply those all together, I get that's equal to the square root of 60 times 10 is 600. 30 times 20 is 600. That's going to be 600 times 600, which the square root of 600 times 600, I'm not going to multiply that big old number out because I can just tell my answer is 600, which is what I wanted. We worked on that with a triangle that we knew. There's a proof in your book for how to do this, or how to prove how to prove Heron's formula. But for this class, for now, I just want you to be aware of it. You've got a test question on it, you've got a homework question on it, or a quiz question. That suffices. Anyway, Heron's formula.